How to get unbanned from Wizz App. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is go ahead and log out of your Wizz App, and you can do that by clicking on your profile icon, going to settings and clicking on log out. So the next thing you can do is clear your data and cache, and you can do that by long pressing on it and going to app info. So you'll see this option of clear data, so click on clear all data and click OK. So if this still doesn't work, go ahead and download a VPN, and you can do that by going to your Play Store. Go ahead and type VPN at the search bar at the top, and you can download whichever one that you like. Once it's downloaded, make sure that you do hit the connect button and make sure that it is connected. So next, go ahead and open your Wizz app once more and create a new account. Now, if this doesn't work, you can just go over to their website and then click on contact us, and then type out a mail to Wizz App saying you're not sure why you are banned and to help you recover your account. This is how to get unbanned from Wizz App. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.